Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Can we do a sound test and visual test first to make sure all is okay? Hope that all of you is having a great time in Singapore. Hey, today is Friday, right? Is it Friday today? Yeah, today is Friday. Yeah, I should call my son. He should be booking out. He got. I think all the officers got confined for a military exercise, so I can call him. Yeah. Anyway, good to see everybody. Can you all click a like so that I know you guys are there? Okay. All click a like, please. I can't see any comments at all. At least click a like so that I know you guys are there. I don't see a single like at all. Okay, I saw one like only. The comments are not coming in, so it would be good if you can click a like. Okay. Don't see much like. Okay, the likes are coming in. Okay. Hi, Adrian, Joe, Chu Sin, and Tui Siu, Pongi, Kai. Good to see all of you, man. Nixon, good to see you too. Rowan, good to see you too. Okay. Yes. Cool. All good to see you. Right. Hope that everybody is good. Okay. Singapore Chinese 69. It's very, very long. Can you give me your name? No? Oh, Chuan, you're seeing me first time. Okay. I think most of people have seen me. Can we do a sound test? I've hooked on to my Bluetooth. I want to make sure the sound is okay and the visuals are okay as well. I'm using 5G right now. So I hope 5G is good. Elena, Randall, Mark, Sherling, okay, Sandra, Dennis, good to see all of you, man. Vision and sound is good. Okay, sound is good like the stock market. All right, loud and clear. All right, very good. Okay, very good, very good, very good to all of you. Very good to all of you. Okay, yes. What's the name of your house in estate name? Austin Heights. Austin Heights. I've said many times. Austin Heights. In Japan. No. I'm in Italy right now. I just show you where I am. Okay, I'm in a shopping area right now. If you can see. Okay. Oh, there is bikini models here as well. Okay, cool. Okay, all to give a like, please. Yes. Okay, very good. Okay. Yeah. You know, I get very encouraging note from quite a few people recently, and they actually tell me how their life is progressing and things like that. I get very encouraged. You know, I've got some colleagues, not colleagues, some of our. I can't find it right now. Where is it? Yeah. I got someone who wrote to me and he said that he was 89 kilogram and now just hit 76 kilogram because he followed my intermittent fasting and walking. Congratulations, man! Yeah, congratulations, right? Some of people have followed me on their investments and making some money right now. Also, congratulations to you. Yeah, and some of you are now applying your skincare. I hope that you all are turning looking younger and better. I hope the ginseng. Some of you are taking the ginseng as well. I don't know if it arrived. No, ginseng maybe not. Yeah, ginseng probably not arrived yet. But as a whole, we have the whole idea is to make your life better. Okay. Yes. So if your life is better because of in some form or some shape because of me, please give a like. That's all I ask from you all. That's all I ask from you guys. Okay. Yes. So today's topic, Mr. Lu's hair is like bull market. But actually, first of all, yes, thank you. The hair is growing. Maybe I'm asking for too much. It's still seemingly a bit sparse. Yeah, but maybe I'm asking for too much. Behind, I still need to go for a second round. I'm still thinking about it. Okay. All right, good. So, I'm taking a switch from Johor Bahru house and all this kind of thing. I don't know if you have seen my video yesterday. If you haven't seen my video yesterday, please go and see it. Okay, the video it's about the biggest reason why, the ultimate reason why I go to JB. It's about food, right? I just show everybody from breakfast to dessert to dinner, right? I not only shoot the type of food we're eating, I shot the bill and everything. Please go and watch it. Okay, it's an amazing video, right? And for those people who still haven't seen the house that I bought in Malaysia, the video is there somewhere. I should have put it in the description. But anyway, just Siu Qing, good to see you too. Okay, Yes. So please go watch. Go and watch it. You know, it's like I painstakingly do up the video. I'm not a very good video editor. I actually have a video editor in Myanmar helping me, but the to and fro is too painful. I realized I myself do myself. By the way, at 50 years old, I know how to do video editing on my phone. It may not be top grade. For those people who say you're too old to learn new things, please go slap yourself, okay? Yeah, please go slap yourself. Make sure that you all continue to learn new skills, okay? Are you ready? Okay, more likes. Today I want to talk about the stock market. The stock market is on this bull run. I've since said last year the stock market is going to be a rebound. I'm in Italy right now. Good evening to all of you, Pauline as well. So the stock market is going to bull run. There's a good chance that the S&P 500 will break 4,200 points today. Okay, if it does, it's very good news. Okay, and I didn't quite bother about it, as you all know. Last few months I've been crazy about one big topic, which is JB house hunting. I've been excited about it. I've been looking forward to house hunting and things like that. By the way, Emily is now in JB in Austin Heights as well. Emily, my young daughter, okay, visiting a relative, staying over and things like that. You know, it's great. Yeah. Powell speaking at 11 a.m. Ayo, don't say wrong thing. But the stock market will go up and down. But anyway, let's enjoy it while while the joy lasts, shall we? Okay. But I didn't realize this. But someone asked, "Hey, how are you doing so far?" And I took stock of the amount of investment I have, and it was a pleasant surprise. Okay, so this is my endowers amount. This all 80% of it is ordinary account into S&P 500. The other 20% is about SRS. Okay, so it's sitting on $100,000 gain, 17% gain, 100,000. Okay, so that's I think a very decent profit, considering that the market crash is not over. No, we were at a peak of 4,700. Now it's dropped to 4,200. It was even worse then. So we still have some upside, which is very good, right? And then after I boom, fire all my shots from my OA and SRS. Then I went to start firing my wife's account. So this is her account. I fired about 240,000 inside. It's sitting on about $9,000 of profit, about 4%. Not as much, but it's because as the market rise, I fire the first shot here, and then as it rose up further, then I fire her shot. So she sit on less less profit, but you know, it's still profit, right? It's decent profit. If you measure it in US dollar terms, it would have been much more. But the US dollar has softened from about 1.45 to roughly right now 1.35. At one point in time it was 1.31 or something like that, right? So it has gone up a bit. So I'll help every and I didn't just fire on the S&P 500. I fired some cash as well. So before that, someone asked me this question in Telegram group: what is the annualized returns, right? So this is I don't know if you all can see now. The annualized return for my CPF OA portion is about 7.95. Okay, and on my SRS portion is about 8.58, right? So very decent return over. These are profits not just from this round, but also I bought it since COVID. So it's pretty decent return, and I'm very comfortable about it, right? But this time around, I fire a lot of shots into NASDAQ as well. So the NASDAQ, how has it been performing? I think it's good to take a look at it. It's a bit small. This is the NASDAQ QQQ. This is the NASDAQ QQQ. I fired roughly about 200 over 1,000 USD. Okay, and it sits on a profit about 27,000 USD. Okay, so pretty decent return. Okay, slightly above 10%. And then some on SPY. I did fire some on cash. Okay, cash, and it's also, it's about, yeah, roughly about 10% as well. So invested amount is about 35,000. Yeah, we're looking at the right number. Yeah, invested amount 35,000. It has gone up by 3,000 over dollars USD. Not bad, right? Not bad. And there's another portfolio of Nasdaq as well. So me and my wife, account. So this amount I was about 63,000. It went up by 7,000. So 10 over percent. And then I'll show you this SPY, another 34,000 went up by, this one less than 10,000, about 2,006. So basically all went up pretty decently. Okay, the only one thing I should not have done, I don't know why I do that, and not everybody loves to do that. Okay, everybody loves to pick some stock thinking you are smarter than the market, right? Is this stupid? Away is the travel ETF. Okay, I go and fire 50,000 Sing dollars inside, and it's sitting on losses. Okay, yeah, this one is a stupid bet. Yeah, I'm still theoretically, I see so many people traveling. I don't see this market going up. No, so can I say, yeah. Anyway, okay, so collectively, roughly about $150,000 of profit so far. Not bad. Okay, I have another portfolio of what I call the magic formula, and it's too difficult to compute the P&L, but because there's a lot of buy, sell, I totally lost track of that. So I think it's pretty decent returns. I'm happy about it. I'm not flaunting. I want to share with you today to remind everybody of the right investment strategy that I'm adopting. Okay, and I'll answer some of your questions later. A lot of you tell me that, I invest in this, I invest in that, go up tonight. But Mr. Lu's investment returns, investment strategy is quite different. So this round I roughly dumped about $1 million inside, 1 million, and I dumped it right at somewhere around September when I saw signs that the inflation is actually coming down. So I actually start firing shots after shots. I already fired some shots early, not small shots. Then I went big time somewhere around September area. I fired big time. I think in that 1 month I fired maybe $500,000 or something like that. And I told everybody every shot that I fire. Okay, I might have missed out 1 or 2 shots that I fired, but basically I've fired. Every shot I fire, most of the case I inform everybody. Sometimes I fire too many until I luan. So pardon me for that, okay? And so now the inflation over the months have been coming down since September, and so my prediction is correct. There are a lot of Mr. Lu critics saying all sorts of rubbish and things like that, which I don't have to spend time talking about them. But I need to say this, okay? Some people say that, oh, what if you bought it is I bought roughly around 3,006 to 3,008 level, okay? But what if it go down some more, right? So this is where science comes in to see that there's that where is the turning point really, okay? And I've been very vocal about it. When there was a sign of turning point, I told everybody that this is a turning point already. Now you can choose not to believe, which I think 99% of people didn't believe. Then I just back in. It is both a science and an art. So I cannot tell you like what number to go in. I can tell you by looking at a macroeconomic situation. So actually studying economics does help. So for those people who look down on economics, I think that is a mistake. Okay. Okay. So the first thing I want to say is that you do not need to attempt to catch the rock bottom of the stock market. Everybody write down this place, okay? You do not need to attempt to catch the rock bottom. It's nearly impossible. You just need to catch it near or around the bottom. That means when it's near around the bottom. So this is strategy number 1. Okay, strategy number 1 that I do. I catch it around the bottom. I cannot catch it exactly at the bottom, but around the bottom. And this is the one time in the my first time in a crash buying that I announced to the whole wide world what I'm doing. I didn't say you should follow. I say that's what I'm doing. So make it very clear, okay? The second thing that I did was after I fire all the shots, what do I do? Anybody, you all know? After I fire most of my shots, what did I do? Anybody? Make a guess. After I fire my shots, what did I do? Okay, anybody say? Get your wife money. Okay. Yes. Yeah, so I fire my, okay, after I fire both my wife shots. Yeah, I didn't bother. I forget it. Yeah, I'm in Starbucks. How do you know I'm in Starbucks? Oh, there's a signboard behind it says Starbucks. Yes. Okay. Do nothing. Yeah. Right. Do nothing. Right? Do nothing. I fire all my shots and then don't bother about the whole stock market. Everybody keep kanchoning our stock market, observing like crazy or whatsoever. Do I look like I was kanchong? What did I do? No? What did I do? Let me tell you what I did, okay? I just wrote it and I thought it was very interesting. So what did I do over? So from June till now, 9月、10月、11、12、1、2、3、4、5, about 8 months. What did I do? I live my life and enjoy my life. I just wrote it down on Telegram, but I thought I want to share this. So over the last 8 months, my life was super rich, man. Super rich. Not money rich, but super rich life I have. What did I do? I flew to Korea for the first time to do live streaming and sold ginseng and I discovered skincare. What is the most earth-shaking thing that Mr. Lu did in his life over the last 8 months? I have a makeover. I have hair. Right? I have hair. I went to plant my hair. Yes, I plant my hair. That was done in October. So the crash was in September. Hello Jennifer, good to see you. I went to plant my hair in October. Do I look like someone? Who is worried about the whole stock market? I still got a mood to go and plant my hair, right? Okay, it's not bad. It's not perfect, but it's not bad. From where I was, I don't know. Have you all seen myself? Sorry, I love to say. I love to show off this one. This one is flaunting. Okay, yes. I got a lot of people criticizing me in hardware zone, which I couldn't be bothered about them. I'm trying to show some picture of myself. Shit. Okay. Yeah, this one. I know you all can see not. Okay. Okay, you all can see this. Maybe it's a bit too bright. Okay. Oh man, can't see. Okay. Wait. Wow, can't see man. Okay. Okay, this one. My daughter say that compare this and this. This look like you know. This look like her son. Yeah. Okay. This look like her son. This look like monk. You know, that kind of thing. That was quite funny. Okay. So what did I do over the last 8 months? Right. I went to Korea. I did my hair, and I found amazing skincare, man. Amazing skincare. And I've been doing my face, and they're not expensive. Some of you have bought it already. It was 12,000 Sing, and I'm sure in Singapore you can find it as well. So I done up my skincare, okay, but you know, recently my wife stole my eye cream, and I don't know where it goes. So I got eye bag coming back. She stole my eye cream, and that's something I deal with her. But anyway, you know, and the face is you know, looking younger. Recently, this really just gossip, 还俗了. So recently I found this. Can you see a bit of skin dropping out? Can you see a bit of skin dropping out? I found this amazing cream that helped me remove all these sunspot. Oh, I got to show you this sunspot thing. Okay. Yes. Do I look like CB Hell? Yes. I'm talking about finance. I'm still talking about finance. Please, it's about my finance. Yeah. Okay. Please don't get me wrong. I just want to show you. Oh yeah. Okay. You all can see not this spot here and this spot here. Can you all see the spots? Now the skin is, you see, is removing already. Right? Okay. Can you see? Yeah. The cream is amazing, man. So I'm trying right now. Okay. I mean, you look at this, man. This is terrible, right? I'm trying to show you this. this spot and this spot. Amazing, right? Okay, I'm so vain now. Even my ex-boss say I'm super vain now. Okay, the CEO of Singtel say I was super vain. But anyway, okay. Oh, good to see you from JB. Okay, wait, I'll talk about cream later, okay? But what I want to say is that, I was so excited searching for all these things, changing my life. I continue my walks, and I continue to live my walks. Do I look like someone who is depressed? I show you over the last 6 months. Okay, okay. This is my last 6 months record. Okay, last 6 months. Last 6 months on every day I walk. This daily number, I walk 16,800. I walk 16 to 17,000 steps a day, right? Every day I continue to walk. Okay, if this flaunting, yes, this is flaunting. Okay, every day I walk 12 kilometers. 12 kilometers. Just walk and walk and walk. This morning I was on the phone with another YouTuber. He's a very good YouTuber called Honey Money. Chris from Honey Money. He was educating me how to do YouTube stuff. While talking to him, I was walking as well. Okay, Esther say I walk 12K a day. Well done. Wait. The cream is a medical cream. I don't know how to import a medical cream. But let me test it out first. Be your guinea pig until it work. Then I let you know. Okay, wait. Okay, akan datang. So what else did I do over the last 8 months? When after I bought my stocks. Then I found ginseng, right? Walao, whack ginseng every day. High energy, man. I just do normal walking, slow walking, in fact. Yeah. I took ginseng, energy level. Do I look like I got no energy? Do I look like I'm depressed over the stock market? No, right? Okay. And then what else do I do, right? I handle my businesses. My business, SS Digital is doing fantastically well. Premium More, I continue to work with Premium More, and I continue to do my live streaming, right? I continue to do a live streaming almost every day or every alternate day. Nowadays I do video recording and things like that. I learn new things, and most importantly, since January, I started on this amazing thing called house hunting in Johor Bahru. By the way, anybody who knows how to import medical products and getting HSA approval, please write to me. Anybody in this field, because Mr. Lu have no shit about how to do it, and I don't want to break the law. Okay. Okay. So, and then I was January, February, March, April. I was going crazy looking for a JB house, just finding very excited about it, and things like I continued my work whatsoever, right? So eventually I found a JB house. I bought it and I was very happy. Okay, I share everybody. Some of you share my joy, some of you don't. That's okay. But if you now go back, I fired close to $1 million of shots somewhere around September, maybe up to September. $1 million. For me, $1 million is a lot of money. Some of y'all don't. Mr. Lu taking agarwood essence. Yes, you're right. I'm also taking that. The one I'm testing, the one a bit more paiseh lah. The one is for men's bedroom potency. Okay, I test really seems good. Okay, seems good, but the one also need approval. I also don't know how to do it. Someone who please tell me. The one okay. Let's go back to this topic. Sorry, the one a bit TMI. Too much information. Yeah, TMI. My whole point is that my whole 8 months after I fired those shots, I not just fire the shot, I live out and show you that I literally fire and forget. Right? I fire and forget and live my life as richly, as fully. Now fully has a new connotation. As fully, as enriching as I can. Didn't I? I live out richly as I can. Right? Really? Lawson, can you email me? I don't know how to do that. luchengchuan@gmail.com. Okay, I never done it before. Okay, yeah. So anyway, so meanwhile the market went up, down. Everybody moody, not moody. You know, the kind of thing. Because the stock market went down, I've said just a huge period of volatility. But you know what? I said, didn't I draw this graph? If you all recall, I said that the market will go like that. Right? Didn't it do so? It did. But you know what? We don't need to bother. After the fire, I forget. And then I went to live my life. I went to live my life richly. Okay? It's easy for a YouTuber or financial guru to tell you, oh, you draw this graph, you buy this system from me, you do this kind of thing, you can make a lot of money whatsoever. You follow this, that. It's very easy for someone to just say, you know what, Tesla show go up, you buy, you know, sure 赚钱, so sure money, or this Palantir, this, you know, whatever stock, that kind of thing, you know. You try lah, see what happened to you. Yeah. Someone said, told me, you know, oh my home, walao, shut up. By the way, have you seen oh my home not? Walao, can't see me. Oh my home become oh my goodness, man. Okay, where's my oh my home? Yeah, oh my home. Okay, oh my home at IPO went up. It went up to $30 and it crashed now to $5, all within a span of weeks. Yeah, ridiculous, right? Okay, so you know what? I cannot tell you what you should do because that's against the law. Okay, and actually a lot of YouTuber, I please encourage you guys, you know, if it's what you do, can you do, and just tell people what you do. Don't can tell people you should do this. Yeah, I think it's crossing the line. Okay, anyway, for me, I like the joyful, peaceful way of investing. What I do, I just buy a safe stock. I just buy the overall index. I buy the S&P 500. I buy some Nasdaq. The ratio is about 2 to 1/3, 2/3. Okay, and I leave it there and just go on with my life. Roughly speaking, okay. Roughly speaking, I don't bother the numbers. And when I live my life, okay. You know what? In the U.S. index ultimately will recover. Okay, and it did. It recover, and it's still recovering. Now, could it crash again? Yeah, I just did a video a few days ago. It can crash. What can it crash on? It can crash on the debt ceiling problem. Okay, if they default on the debt, that will be serious. If Jerome Powell come out and say that, oh, you know, inflation is still bad, I'm going to increase interest. Yeah, you will still crash. You know, Ukraine and Russia start firing missiles at each other, then nuclear bomb, boom, you know, kind of thing. Shit can happen, right? Okay, but you know what? You just live your life. Just live your life, right? Just live your life. Yeah, just continue to live your life. You know, let the market eventually recover by itself. So many people say that, oh, the US dollar will die. You know, the US dollar will crash. US dollar will this, US dollar will that. And then you know what? US dollar will replace the renminbi. Who remember there was a lot of news on this? US dollar, USD to renminbi. Okay, I'll show you all. Okay. And the best part is the US dollar now is appreciated against the renminbi. Gong simi. Yeah. Right. Okay. Now, all these are very important things that I want you all to take a chapter from. Okay, this is me. I'm trying to pick the right word. I'm not exactly conservative, but I'm generally a more safe approach. Take a more safe approach towards investing. I just invest when there's a crash, there's blood in the street, and then I continue to live my life as richly as I can, as fully as I can, and just let it rise. Right now, just sit back and just enjoy the ride. Right, the market is recovering. Right, so all my investments are rising up. I just enjoy it. So it's a very simple investment strategy. Okay, doesn't require rocket science whatsoever. It requires guts. It requires emotion management. And that is why I encourage everybody to make sure that your 1165 financial safety net using your CPF is solidly grounded. Okay, don't go and listen to the news media where they're out to actually a lot of scams. There's a lot of doom and gloom news, right? How many times you read Bloomberg, JP Morgan, Morgan Stanley, Deutsche Bank, all the experts say, wow, the end of the world is coming, no, market's going to crash. How many of you see that S&P will go down to 3,000 points from, at that point in time, 3,000 600 points, say you go 300 points, maybe even 2,500, maybe even 2,000, right? Okay, this is a bear market rally, you will sure crash. How many of you has heard that before? Say me, right? How many of you been exposed to this kind of news? Sure die. And these are famous news agency, you know. What bullshit are they talking about, right? So, anyway, I thought this investment strategy, I not just put it on text on paper. My investment strategy is very simple. Build a financial safety net using 1M65 CPF. Just fill up your SA and MA, you know, to the rim and let it compound. Build up your financial safety net. After that, emotionally, you become stable. When the market crash comes, I just invest in S&P 500, take a bit more risk, invest some in NASDAQ, and I go and live my life. That's all. As simple as that. Nothing else. Today I'm reaping the fruits already. Now, of course, are there people that make a hell of money than me? Of course, right? Of course, right? A lot more financial gurus make more money than me. But you know what? I sleep better. I live better. I think, you know, there are people who make billions. I'm not as good as them. Okay, there are people who make tens of millions. I'm not as good as them. There are people who make millions. I'm not good at them. But I'm happy with a few $100,000 of profit. Yeah, that's good enough for me, right? You know, that's good enough for me. Right? I live a happier life, right? Last 8 months, my life have been very exciting. I hope that you all share my excitement as well. Agree? Okay. Let's take some questions, shall we? Okay, let's take some comments and questions. Anybody? I saw a lot of questions just now. Xiao Jiali say, I'm totally agree, Mr. Lu. I'm on the way to build up my CPF ASAP since I cannot get a house. Okay, yeah, that's a house is important as well. Okay, yes. Let's take some questions, shall we? Anyone has any questions? Just now in Telegram, a lot of people have a lot of questions. I say I'll ask them and answer them here. Okay. Anyone has any questions? Okay. I'm not very clear about RA interest. After 65 interest, it belongs to us or go to a pool. It goes to a pool. Yeah, it goes to a pool. Okay. 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 What is Powell saying tonight? I don't know, man. Mr. Lu, you can set up a JV Kaki Chegu. Yes, I tell myself I should do that, but I haven't got my time to do that yet. I maybe ask my staff to help me begin. Okay. If I want to buy a house, should I still transfer away the SA? I think you may make sure that you got enough for your houses. Mr. Lu, I can't become if I lose money in stock market. Should poor investors like us just concentrate on CPF and yes. If you cannot handle it, don't go into it. Mr. Lu, are you still holding a TQQQ? Yes, some. Okay, not a lot, but don't touch it. But I use TQQQ in a very sophisticated way, and it's very dangerous, so I won't do it. Okay, I don't want everybody to use TQQQ. I walk on hill slope at my new suburb around 8 km. Since I bought my new townhouse at a good lower price last year in Australia. Also, Johnny in Australia, that's nice. Okay. My wife saw you buy Austin, now make me go house hunting. Looking at SKS Pavilion, Princess Cove, one room only. Oh, you're buying a condo, is it? Are you looking at condo or a landed house? Okay. Yeah, just be careful when you buy, okay? Will stock market continue to rise? I think over the next 10, 20, 30 years, of course. Mr. Lu teaches how to work from a distance, save money and have a better quality life of Malaysia. I'm emulating already. Do you ever plan to sell S&P? Not in the short term or mid term. Okay. The stock market is very different from last time when information flows is fast and sometimes misleading. What do you think of this? It's very important for you to be able to decipher nonsense from real data. I mean real information. So I watch Mr. Lu channel to some extent, okay, and watch some credible ones, I suppose. Mr. Lu, where in JB most of the government officers and business stay in Johor? Is it Austin Heights? I think Austin Heights is mainly rich Chinese business, rich Chinese, I would say. There are some Singaporean Malays also stay there. I know that because I went to one house. I wouldn't be want to go close to the Malaysian officers. Seeing some houses in Austin area rental are almost the same as Woodlands. No lah, cannot be lah. Okay. For endowers, if we change from iShare S&P to Amandi, does it mean sell iShare? Can you please ask the question in the Telegram chat? I think there are some endower staff that will answer you there. Okay. Yes. If get foreign property, need to get rid of HDB. No, you don't need to. You don't need to. You don't need to. Very glad to come across channel. I'm happy. I might Austin. No, I'm in Italy right now. What about US debt ceiling and default with S&P? If it happen, it will. So we don't know, right? Yeah. So if it happen, that's life lah. Okay. Princess Cove rental went up. Yes, of course. So many Singaporeans go there. Princess Cove rental went up is because Singapore rental went up. So people cannot afford. They all stay at Princess Cove, so that every day they travel in and out. Princess Cove, for some people who don't know, is exactly at the causeway. This JB is Singapore. At the causeway, you walk 300 meters, you reach the first building of Princess Cove already. Are there hospitals around Austin Hills? Austin Hills is nearby to some hospitals. For light treatment, I think it's okay. I wouldn't go to Malaysia hospital. Okay. What this Amandi got to do S&P 500? Amandi is like an alternative to S&P 500. Is it good value now to shoot dry powder at Nasdaq and S&P? I cannot tell you what you should do, but Mr. Lu is not firing. Okay, Mr. Lu like to buy when the market crashes. Okay, but the textbook says that if you do dollar cost averaging, you know, the kind of thing, you can do it as well. Okay, is Starbucks a good buy now? I don't like to pick individual stocks. I don't. Some properties in Malaysia does not have appreciation value. That is true. A lot of it, not just some. A lot of it. So when I buy this, I personally don't expect the value to go up. Yeah, but I know historically it has gone up by 3 times over the last 12 years for Austin Heights. Not every apartment, not every estate goes up. Mr. Lu, HDB regulation is you cannot buy a private property, be in Singapore or overseas, and it's stupid draconian if the HDB. That is not true. This rule is wrong. Okay, you cannot have what I understand, sorry, maybe I take back my word. What I understand is that you cannot have a private property, you cannot have a HDB, you cannot apply for a new HDB if you have you can apply a new HDB if you have a Malaysian house. Okay, BTO, which I don't think I can. The Eric says Mr. Lu again. Did he? Okay, who's the Eric? Okay. Still got dry power, haven't used, waiting for another. I don't think will come. Okay. No point investing in stock. What's your email address? luchengchuan@gmail.com. Okay. Eric says Mr. Lu missed a lot of chance in property investment. Yeah, I mean there's so many. Yes, I missed a lot of chance in property investment, but what was I doing with my money? I wasn't sitting there, no? Yeah. I don't think any of my any property investment will help me help me get an IPO type return, you know, or sale. I have sold companies before, no. That kind of return is far more than any. That kind of return is far more than any property return. But anyway, it's okay. They talk. Okay. What is the medical standard in JB? For general GP treatment, I think it's okay. Okay. Must go restaurant, lucky, the food looks good. Yes, okay. Within MOP cannot, yeah, I'm beyond my MOP already. Actually, it is true, better not to declare, no. Okay, what are other YouTube channels you watch, get information? I watch a variety. I watch a lot of YouTube channel from mainstream, CNN, BBC, CNBC, and that kind of thing. I watch some financial bloggers from US. I watch Chinese YouTubers as well, good Chinese YouTubers as well. They say in Chinese a lot, just very zha. Princess Cove may be oversupplied. I totally agree with that. Okay. If I buy Malaysian property, then buy Singapore property, will it attract ABSD? I was told no. Okay, I was told no. Any comments on Eco Tropica? I don't know where is that. Sorry. Eco Spring, I know where is it. I don't know where is Eco Tropica. How much you save on groceries and utilities in Malaysia versus Singapore? A lot now. A lot. I don't know, 40-50%, but I don't know. Why invest in Nasdaq when you invest in S&P 500? Oh, you don't know? I said many times. So how much do I have in Nasdaq? I don't know, $300,000-400,000 this round. Let me see how much do I have in Nasdaq. I don't even know how much I have in Nasdaq. I'll show you the amount. Okay, I have Nasdaq 63,000, 200,000, 60,000. So roughly about 300,000 USD. Okay, 300,000 USD times 1.35 is about 400,000. Okay, so I roughly about 400,000. The Nasdaq compounds average about 12 to 15%. But let's say it compounds at 12%. I'll show you how it works. Okay, I've done this before, but I'll just answer this question very quickly. 1.12. I've got 20 years to go to 70 years old. 2 years, 3 years, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 20 times, how much I put Nasdaq just now? 400,000. Okay, 1, 2, 3 times 400,000. It becomes 3.8 million, right? 3.8 million. That's okay, right? That's pretty decent, right? Very good return. So my S&P 500 I put more, Nasdaq put less, and just like, yeah, that's why we invest. So it's higher return, but because it's more risky, okay. No country. Okay, wait, I don't know. Let's say property buying is leveraging. Buying S&P 500 leveraging. Exactly, right? I mean, I don't want to no debt. No, not very little debt now. I have some HDB debt, 160,000 debt, $1,000 of debt, which is nothing. Yeah, but almost no debt. Yeah, I don't like leveraging for property. Okay, that's great, right? So yeah, any international school close to Austin Heights? Yes. Okay, there is traffic jam there because it's so popular. Okay, walkable school, I think so. Okay, CPF still good. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Let me conclude by saying this. There are many roads that leads to Rome. And literally, by the way, right now I am in Rome. This is Rome. Okay? Right. This is Rome. There are many roads that leads to Rome. Some people use property, some people use stocks, some people use Bitcoin, some people use businesses, some people lead wherever. Okay? I think there's no class, low class actually, right, to run down on other people's approach and think yours is the best, unless you have a hidden agenda. Okay, I'll just say this, that what I offer you is for you to see the path that I've taken. I'm not saying that my path is the only path. My path is not the only path, but my path is tried and proven by myself, and it's a relatively safer path. It doesn't make you extremely rich, but it makes you rich enough. Okay. So I think that's something I want to say. Okay, Mr. Lu, how can someone overcome stage fright? You got to keep doing again and again and again. Watch my silly talk, very entertaining and yet important. Oh, you got to watch my silly talk. Try to be more inspirational. Any estimated arrival on new MM2H? I don't know, man. I was told that it happened in weeks, but the agent said that I'm still waiting. Okay. Is the interest rate CPF still higher than the mortgage interest rate? The CPF right now is the CPF, right? Which is CPF? The SA is 4%, and OA is 2.5%. Okay. Yes. Okay. All right, guys. I gotta go for some premium more work. May I know why you choose Austin Heights instead of newer development? I don't like Eco Spring. My brother likes it. I don't like it. So few people. I mean, it's not as, I like crowds and people. My brother likes the swimming pool. Is Austin Heights landed 1 million possible? 1 million, yes, but I think you need some terraces, but you need to spend more money on renovation. Okay, I've seen that before. Okay. Oh, sorry. 1 million, yeah, 1 million is possible, absolutely, yeah. But you need some. I'm considering either Austin Heights or Eco World development. I you know, Eco Spring is nice. My brother likes it. I don't like it, but I think he's really going for it. Okay, so yeah, yeah. I like more crowds. He like the swimming pool there. You converted 50% to a Mandi. I don't mind converting, but I don't know how to convert. The last time they did got someone did in front of me, so I know now I forgot how to do it. I leave it to anyway. Both are same thing. I leave it to settle another day. Yes. JB is paradise for those who dare. Exactly, right? A lot of people don't dare. I think I said enough. Okay, really, I gotta go. Okay, thank you for joining me. I hope that you know you put some thoughts to it. Okay, yeah. So as I said, many roads leads. Penny, good to see you. Many roads leads to Rome. I'm literally in Rome right now. And pick one that you are comfortable with. I've showed you one. Okay, there may be others, and just you know, go with it. Okay. All right. Good. Okay. So I'll see you guys again. Okay. Thank you for joining me. Remember, click follow and click like. Okay. Yes. All right. Cool. Mei Yin, good to see you. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Good to see everybody. Okay. Good night, everybody. I gotta rush to round 2. Okay. See you guys. Okay. See you guys. Thanks everybody. Chai-Ling, good to see you. Okay. Okay. Chai-Ling and Xiu Qing, I suppose you are still there. I'll see you in next round. Okay. Next premium mall site. Okay. See you guys. Bye.